so many people on LinkedIn and they're constantly being marketed to for franchise advisors or consultants or this franchise. What do you feel that Horizon Consulting Partners does different than majority of consultants in the industry?
So one thing that we've really enjoyed working with you and your team is when you introduce a candidate to us, these candidates have been more informed than a lot of the typical other advisors out that we've worked versus just blindly introduction. Your candidates come a little bit more mindful, a little bit more prepared, right? You could see that you have spent more time with them on talking about them. Here's how you get your lending. Here's how you get your funding. Here's the segment. These are the common trends, right? So one thing that we've seen with you and your leads and the candidates we've worked with is the quality of these leads, but they're definitely more, I would say, better than a lot of other advisors that we've worked with as well.
Fair enough. Well, if you're looking for franchise, you heard it from Bary, CEO of Semi Pro, working with you guys, meaning the public, there's a lot of information out there. We're at a conference right now. We have the CEO of the International Franchise Association here. You're going to hear from him. And I actually had a one-on-one conversation with him yesterday. This is the information that we get to provide to you. Franchising and business ownership is not right for everybody. You have to be committed, like you're committed to your job, you're committed to your marriage, you're committed to your children's school, whatever you're committed to, you got to be committed or you will lose your investment. If you don't follow the process, if you don't have a plan, you will fail. But if you have a plan and you go follow through, the chance of succeeding is higher than non-traditional franchise businesses. If you're interested, call us at Verizon Consulting Partners, 864-638-1046. Bary, my man, appreciate it. Talk to you guys soon. All right.